A very good evening to one and all. So hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see my screen. Can you guys please confirm? Can you guys please confirm whether you guys are able to hear me or not? Whether you guys are able to see my screen? Everyone? Yeah, fine, sir. So fine. As part of our yesterday's discussion, sir, we started with an what the understanding with the different types of SQL joins. As part of that SQL joins, we had completed with what inner join and also what the left join, sir. Okay. So for the better understanding about the inner join and the left join and the right join, I'm going to take only the two tables, sir. Okay, so most of them are get confused on the inner join, left join as part of our yesterday's discussion. To understand like as in the much clear, okay, how these joins are working, how these joins are working, how the joins are working, sir. Okay, so to simplicity, I'm going to take like as in the two tables. I'm going to take only the two tables. One is what Ashokite underscore employee table. Another one is what Ashokite underscore department table, sir. And we will perform what inner join, left join, and the right join on this the two tables. Hope you understand the point what I'm trying to say. So we will perform what? We will perform. Yeah. So see, sir, Ashokite underscore employee, Ashokite underscore employee table and Ashokite underscore department table, sir. These are the two tables which we are going to be the consider here for the today's session, and we'll perform what inner join and left join and out join, sir. Hope you guys are comfortable. What I'm trying to say, everyone. So for the better understanding and the clear understanding of an inner join and the left join and the right join, I'm going to consider only these two tables, sir. Okay, and then we'll move on to the medium level and then we'll move on to the median level for combining of all the tables into the joins as well. Okay, first initially we'll start with the two tables of joining, sir. Clear, everyone? What do you mean by inner join, sir? What do you mean by inner join and how to perform the inner join? What do you mean by inner join, sir? Come on, guys. What do you mean by inner join? Come on, guys. What do you mean by inner join, sir? When you are joining between the two tables with the help of a join keyword, such a joins we can say what? Inner join or not? When you are joining like as in the two tables with the help of and the keyword of and the join key with the help of and the join keyword, such a join we can call it as an what? Inner join or not, sir? What is the functionality of the inner join, sir? What is the functionality of inner join? Only the matched records. So only the matched records from the left hand side table and the right hand side table only will get into what as a result, right or not? So see, sir, inner join means when we are joining, when we are joining, when we are joining what? The two tables, when we are joining joining of the two tables with the join keyword, with the join keyword, such a join, such a join we can, such a join we can call it as an what, sir? Inner join, or we can say what? Equi join, sir. Right, sir? Equi join, right or not? Right or not? Right or not, sir? So when we want to join, when we want to join the two tables, when we want like as in the when we want to the join like as in the two tables, definitely. So we required definitely we required the common column between the two tables, sir. Right or not? Come on, guys. Yes. Okay, yeah, Dattatreya, I already told you. First, initially, for the better understanding, I will take the two tables. Later, we will move on to the medium level of combining all the joins with the with the multiple tables. Okay, definitely, I will be the taking that point as well. Okay, so whenever we want to join like as in the two tables, definitely we require the common column between the two tables, sir. Understand? So inner join, what is the inner join, sir? What the inner join will always will always what? The matched records. So matched records from the left hand side table, and the inner join always selected what? The matched records. Always selected what? Matched records from left hand side table and then right hand side table, sir. Right or not? Right hand side table. Right or not, sir? Inner join always selects the data, always selects the matched records from left hand side table and the right hand side table, sir. So now tell me, whenever you guys wanted to join for the employee table and the department table, so what is the join column, sir, here? What is the common column between the employee table and the department table? What is the common column between employee table and the department table? So DPT ID is nothing but what? The common column between these two tables. So we are going to write the join condition. So we are going to write the join condition on which class? Where class or on class? Where you are going to join where you are going to specifying the join condition, sir? On condition, on class, right? So see here, select a star from Ashok IT. Select a star from Ashok IT underscore employee. So how many employees are there, guys? 9 employees. And so 9 employees are connected with how many departments? Can you guys please confirm? 9 employees are connected with how many departments? D1, D2, D4, okay, D4, D6, and D7, and then followed by what? D11 and D12. So these are the employees which are existing in the departments. Am I correct or not, sir? Come on, guys. Select a star from Ashok IT underscore. Okay, select a star from Ashok IT underscore what? Department, sir. So how many departments are there here? How many departments are there here? 7 departments. 7 departments. D1 and then followed by D2, D3, and then D4, and then D5, D6, and D7. That's all. Right, sir? So now tell me, when you are joining, when you are joining like as in the two tables, select a star from Ashok IT underscore employee, join keyword Ashok IT underscore what? DPT table of AD. Okay, on condition. So employee table, the department ID equal to what? Department table, department ID, sir. Right. So order by AE dot employee underscore ID, sir. That's all. Okay. So observe carefully, sir. We are just trying to perform what? Inner join, sir. Inner join always picks for what? So left hand side, both matched records from the left hand side table and the right hand side table, sir. Right or not? Okay. See, sir. Observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully and confirm me, sir. So how many employees are we got here? How many employees we got here, sir? On the employee table, we have 4 columns: employee ID, employee name, salary, and the department ID. In the department manager ID. In the department table, we have only the 2 columns: department ID and the department name. Could you please confirm? So are we got like as in the matched information or not? Have you got like as in the matched information or not? Here employee side department employee related department ID and department related department ID matched. Employee record department ID and then department ID is matched. Here it got matched. Right or not, case? So only the matched information we got or not? So total how many employees are there in the employee table? Total how many employees are there in the employee table, sir? 9 employees are there. So but we got only the 7 employees. So which 2 employees are excluded from which 2 employees are excluded from our result? Which two employees are excluded from our result, sir? E8 and E9 employees, sir. Why? Because E8 and E9 employees are binded with what? Department 11 and the department 12. So is that records are matched in the table, sir? Is that records are there in the department's table? Come on, guys. E8 and E9 employee is connected with the D11 and D12 department, which are not existed in the department table. That's why the two employees are excluded from our results, sir. Understand my point, guys? This is what an inner join, sir. Inner join always focusing on what? Only the matched records from the left hand side table and the right hand side table, sir. Understand? Right hand side table and the left hand side table. That's all. So it always excluded from what? Non-matched records, sir. It always excluded from what? Non-matched records. So right now we indicated the star, sir. Indicated star means from the two tables, sir, we got all the columns. I want only for selected columns. So then I need to go for what? AE underscore employee ID. AE underscore employee name. Okay. And then AE underscore department ID and AD dot department ID. Okay. And then AD dot department name, where you can understand easily, sir. Now tell me, employee table, department ID and the department table, department ID, both are matched or not? So matched records only we are getting, sir. Non-matched records are excluded from the results. Agree, everyone? Everyone, is that clear? So only the matched records are getting, or non-matched records are also getting here? Can you guys please confirm it? Only matched records we are getting, or non-matched records are also getting here? Only matched records. Whatever the join condition we have specified from the left hand side table and the right hand side table, if that condition is matched, then only the row of information will be picked from left hand side table and the right hand side table, sir. If the join condition fail on the particular row, that row will be excluded from our results. That row will not be part of our results, sir. Understand? Inner join means if the join condition becomes true, then only the record of information will be fetched from left hand side table and then right hand side table, sir. If the join condition becomes false, then it won't select the data from the left hand side table and the right hand side table. Okay. So tell me, sir, how can you specify the inner join, sir? Using the join keyword is the fine, or else can I use the inner join as well or not? Come on, guys. So join and inner join both are one and same or not? Come on, guys. So both are one and same or not, sir? So see, sir, when you execute the same query with inner join word, so we got like as in the 7 employees information. And when you are execute the same query with the help of join keyword, you got like as in the 7 employees information, save 7 employees information, sir. Understand? Both join and inner join, so both are one and same. Understand, sir? Okay. Yes. So AD dot department ID is displaying. No, sir. See, sir. Column name is displaying as what? AD underscore department 1. This is nothing but an what? Department table, department ID column, Satish. And this is nothing but an what? Department ID from employee table. Understand? Yes. So we are selecting these 5 columns from the both of the tables for our understanding. We can ignore it. Basically, we can ignore it for understanding and the results wise. I'm just selected these 2 columns. Clear? Everyone is clear with the inner join, sir? Everyone is clear, sir, with respect to the inner join? Yeah. So see, sir, as I told you, whenever we are joining the 2 tables with the join keyword or inner join keyword, sir. Okay. Inner join keyword. Such a joins we can call it as an what? Inner join or we can say what? Equi-join. Whenever you guys are wanted to join the two tables, definitely we require the common columns, sir. Common columns between the two tables. Otherwise, you cannot join those two columns. Otherwise, you cannot join the two tables, sir. Inner join always selected the matched records from the left hand side table and the right hand side table, sir. Right? Clear? So this is what the inner join, sir. So means we just performed what? Inner join to fetch what? Employee details and department details. Agree? This is what like as in the inner join for displaying the employee details. Displaying what? The employee details and the department details, sir. And the department details. That's all. Performed what? Inner join, sir. And we got only the 7 rows of information, only the matched rows of information, sir. Okay, what is the output here? What is the output? So the 7 employees information, sir, for our understanding. Okay, that's all, sir. Okay. Clear. That's all, sir. This is all about for what? Inner join, sir. Okay. So let us talk about another type of join, sir, in SQL. That is left join, sir. Okay. So what do you mean by left join, sir? As we discussed on the yesterday session. So left join. What do you mean by left join? When you are joining like as in the two tables with the help of the left join keyword, such a joins we can call it as an what? Left join or not? When you are joining like as in the two tables, okay, when you are joining like as in the two tables with the help of the left join keyword, such a join we can call it as an what? Left join or not, sir? Right. So when we are joining the two tables, when we are joining like as in two tables using what? Left join word or left outer join word. Okay, left outer join word, left join word or left outer join word. Such join called as left join. Understand, sir? If you are when you are joining the two tables either with what? Either left join word or the left outer join word, such a join we can call it as an what? Left join, sir. Okay. So when we are working with the left join, so when we are working with what? When we are working with the left join, sir. Okay. So first it will perform, sir. First it will perform what? Inner join. First it will perform what? Inner join. Okay, first it will perform what? Inner join, sir. When we are working with what? The left join, sir. Left join or the left outer join. First it will perform what, sir? Inner join, sir. Left join or what? The left outer join, sir. Okay, left join or left outer join, both are one and same, sir. First it will perform what? Inner join on what? The two tables. That is nothing but on what? The matched information. Matched records from the both tables. Agree? Agree or not? So first it will perform when you are working with the left join or the left outer join, sir. First it will perform what? Inner join on the two tables, sir. That is nothing but on what? The matched records from the both tables or not? Then we'll get what? Additional records from the left hand side table, sir. Understand, sir? Which are not matched with the join condition. Which are not matched with what? Join condition, guys. Understand my point, guys, everyone? So here the matched records from the both table means nothing but on what? Which are matched with the join condition, right or not? Which are the matched record, which are matched with what? Which are matched with what? The join condition. Correct or not, sir? Correct or not? First it will perform what? Inner join on the two tables, sir. That is nothing but on what? Matched records from the both tables, which are nothing but on what? So which are nothing but on what, guys? Matched The matched with the join condition, sir. Which are matched with what? The join condition. So along with that, what it will do, sir? Along with that, what it will do? So whatever the records are not matched with the condition, where what are the records are left? What are the records got left from the left out from the join condition, sir? Those records also will be get here. Understand, sir? That's what I'm trying to say. Additional records from the left hand side table which are not matched with what? Join condition. Okay. So see, sir, the same query, sir. The same query here. I'm going to join with what? Left join. Okay. For the table. So how can you add the left join, sir? Left join. So left join, sir. When you are joining the two tables, when you are joining like as in the two tables with the left join keyword, so left side table data is important, sir. Left hand side table data is important. Okay. What about the right hand side table, sir? So matched records, only the matched records will get, sir. Only the matched records will get it here. Understand? Only the matched records between these two tables will get it here, sir. And then non-matched records from the left hand side table also will get it on the result. If you guys observe carefully, I'm just added like as in the left join for this the two tables with the join condition as in what? Department ID and the department ID and order by what? Employee ID, sir. Just check it out, sir. Just check it out. See, how many employees are there in our table, sir? How many tables are there? How many records are there in the employee table? 9 employees. 9 employees. As I told you, when you are joining with the two tables with the left join, left hand side table is important, sir. All the records will be retrieved from the left hand side table along with what? Right hand side table, sir. If you guys observe carefully, sir, these are nothing but an inner join result or not? Can you guys please confirm? These are nothing but an what? Inner join result or not, sir? Come on, guys. These are nothing but an inner join result or not? Along with the inner join result, we got like as in the two records as well. Correct or not? From the left hand side table. Left hand side table, E8 and E9 employees also we got it here or not? So for that D11 department, D12 department, do you have the department information on the right hand side table, sir? Tell me. Do we have the information about D11 department and the D12 department, sir, in the departments table? No. If you are selecting the right hand side tables, when you are working with the left join, sir, if the rows are not matched means, then you will get what? Null values. Understand my point, guys, everyone? So see, come on, guys. Can you guys please confirm? Left join is nothing but an what? Combination of inner join plus additional records from the left table or not? It's a combination of inner join plus additional records from the left table or not, sir? Whatever the result I was selected here, that is nothing but an inner join result. For every department, for every employee, we got the department. 7 employees are mapped with what? Correct departments, and 2 employees are not mapped with what? Correct departments. So here in the left join, which table is important? Right hand side table is important or left hand side table is important? Tell me, sir. When you are working with the left join, so which table is important, sir? Which table is important for the data? Left hand side table, sir. Left hand side table data is important. That's why we are just working with what? Left hand side table. What is the left hand side table here? Employee table. Employee table data is important. I wanted to retrieve all the employees. I wanted to retrieve all the employees and its associated departments. That is what my requirement. That's why the left join importance is what? Left table is important. Okay. So display all the employees and the departments, sir. In this statement, tell me which table will consider as in the left table. Display all the employees means employee will becomes what? Left table, sir. Okay, employee will becomes what? Left table. Yes, correct, Teja. Same as an inner join, but extra is unmatched records also will be displayed, is it? Yes, unmatched records also will be displayed, Teja. That you are correct. Okay, unmatched records are nothing but on what? E8 and E9. So doesn't match with the join condition. So if the join condition is not matched, means right hand side column values are becomes as what? Null. Clear, everyone? Display all the employees and it's the department means definitely I need to what? Left join, you need to apply it to get all the employees. Clear, sir, everyone? Everyone, is that clear? So when you are joining with the two tables with the left join keyword, always the left hand side table data is important, sir. Wanted to get the data from the left hand side table, all the data from the table. So when you are, if the join condition is failed on the left hand side and the right hand side table, the right hand side column will becomes what? Null. That's all. Okay. So can I use like as in the left outer join as well in place of left join? Can I use the left outer join in place of left join or not? Come on, guys. So can we use like as in the left join in place of the left outer join or not? Sir, both are one and same, sir. Both are one and same. There is no difference between left join and the left outer join. Okay. So both are one and same. Raju. Okay. So see, when you are using like as in the left outer join also, we got like as in the same 9 employees information and the inner join information along with what additional records from the left hand side table or not. So both are one and the same. So left join or left outer join, both are one and the same, sir. Understand? So the left hand side data table got important, sir. That's all. Nothing more than that. Okay. Yes. So this is nothing but what? Left join, sir. Query, sir. Query. Display all the employees. Display all the employees and it's a departments, sir. And it's a department's information. That's all. Display all the employees and it's the department information, sir. Okay. Yeah. See, sir, this is what the query for that. Okay. The output is so the output is this one, sir. Okay. Fine. So 1 minute. For understanding purpose, I'm just providing the formatting, sir. Nothing more than that. Okay. Here, the both are representing what, sir? Null values, sir. Okay. Null values. These are nothing but what? Unmatched records. Unmatched records from right table. Understand, sir? For the right table, sir. That's all. So same story, sir, for this row as unmatched records from display all the employees. All the employees means Ashokite underscore what? Left join, sir. Hope you guys are clear, everyone. So when it comes for the right join, sir, same story. Same story. When you are working with what? Right join. When you guys are working with what? Right join, sir. When you are joining with the two tables using what? The right join keyword or the right outer join keyword, such join we can call it as an what? Such join we can call it as an what? Right join or right outer join, sir. Okay. Such a join we can call it as an what? Right join or right outer join. Okay. When you guys are working with what? Right join or the right outer join, so it always performs what? Inner join first. It always performs what? Inner join first on the two tables. That is nothing but on what? Matched records from the both tables, sir, which are nothing but on what? Matched the join condition. Okay. And additional records from what? Right table, sir. Right hand side table, and which are not matched with what? So which are not matched with what? Join condition, sir. So now we are additional records is pulling from what table, sir? Left table or right table? Here additional records are pulling from right hand side table or left hand side table, sir? Come on, guys. Right hand side table, sir. One important note, sir. So here in this type of join, in this type of join, sir, right hand side table is important, sir. Right hand side table data is important. Right hand side data table is important, sir. Understand? Right hand side data is important here. So when you guys are working with what? Left outer join. So when you guys are working with what? The left join or the left outer join, in this type of join, in this type of join, sir, always, so always the left side data is important, sir. Okay, that's all. Left side table data is important. Clear? Yeah. So now tell me, sir. So means right join also doing what, sir? First it will perform what? Inner join, then followed with what? Additional records from the right join which are not matched with what? Join condition. Same story, sir. So just take this the same SQL statement, take the same SQL statement and then perform it what? Right join, sir. Okay, perform right join. So either you can go with what? Right join or right outer join. Both are one and same. Okay. Yes. So tell me like how many departments? So right join, when you are performing the right join on this, the two tables, Ashokate underscore employee table and Ashokate underscore department table. Could you please tell me which table of data is important here when you are performing the right join? Department table information is important or employee table employee data table is important? Kiran, try to understand the point. Right join, sir. Right hand join. When you guys are working with the right join, so right hand side table is important, sir. Not left hand side table, Kiran. As I clearly mentioned, right? The department table, right hand, when you are working with the right join, always the data of the right hand side table data is important for you. So which is the right hand side table here? Ashok IT underscore department. So how many departments information we have? How many departments information we have? Come on, sir. How many departments table? How many records are there in the departments? 7 departments. Total output you are going to get on what? Total output you are going to get on what, sir? Just check it out. See, 9 records we got. 9 records we got, sir. We got like as in the 9 records. Try to understand the result. Try to understand the result. These 7 are nothing but an inner join data or not? That is matched records or not? Can you guys please confirm? Whatever the data I was selected, that is inner join matched records or not? Matched records from the both the table, right? Yes. So, and we do not have any employee. We do not have any employee under the department of what? Non-admin and the finance. That's why you are getting what? Left-hand side table, selected data, left-hand side table columns, or we are getting what? Null values or not? Come on, guys, everyone. So the 7 records are nothing but and what? The matched records from the both the tables. And then so right hand side we have the 2 departments, sir, which are not satisfying the join condition. That is nothing but and what? Non-admin and the finance. So do we have any employee under the non-admin and the finance, sir? Do we have any employees under the non-admin and the finance department? No. That's why the left hand side table selected columns will becomes what? Null. Clear or not, everyone? Everyone, is that clear? Yeah, default values should be the right. So means the right hand side table data will always populate. Okay, when you are working with the left join, left hand side data table is important. When you are working with the right join, always the right hand side table data is important. Okay. So here, what is our thing? What is our requirement? To display all the departments information and its associated employees information, sir. Display all the departments and employees associated with the departments. That's all. That is what the things are. Okay. Shall I use a right outer join in place of right join? Shall I use a right outer join in place of right join or not? Shall I use like as in the right join in place of right outer join or not? Yes, definitely. So definitely we can use it, sir. So that's what I did. Okay. So left outer join or the left join both are one and same. Right join or the right outer join also, the both are one and same. Understand, sir? That is what the thing, sir. Hope you guys are clear about the right join. Hope you guys are clear about the right join. Display all the departments. Display display the employees. Display the employees and it's the departments and all the departments related information, sir. Related information. That's all. So the query will be this one, inner join. Okay. So what is the output, sir? What is the output? So this is what the data. Simply substitute what null values and then null values here. Okay. And then followed by what? Null. Clear? The same story for the second row of information, sir. Okay, fine. 1 minute. So let us just tab out. Hope you guys are clear about the left join and the these are what non-matched records. Non-matched records from the left table. We are getting what null values. Null values from left table columns. Clear, sir, everyone? Everyone, is that clear? Everyone about this, everyone import, everyone hope you guys are clear with these three types of joins or not. Inner join always gets what? Matched records from the both the table. So left join always retrieves the record for what? Always. Okay, so left join always contains what? Combination of inner join plus additional records from the left table. Right join always focusing on what? Inner join results plus additional records from the right table. Correct or not, sir? These are the three thumb rules you need to remember, sir. Inner join means matched records. Means okay, inner join plus what? Then additional records from left. Additional records from left, sir. And then right join means right join means what, sir? Right join means nothing but on what? Inner join plus inner join data plus Sorry, sir. I was disconnected due to some network issue. Yeah. So hope you guys are clear about these three types of joins or not, guys? Please confirm it. Any doubts? Any doubts about the inner join, left join, and the right join? Come on, guys. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yeah. So far, we better understand it about what the working with the joins of an inner join and outer join and the inner join, left join, and the right join, sir, with the two tables. So let us go with what, sir? Let us go with what? Some complexity of joining for multiple tables. Understand, sir? So far, we worked with what? Joining for the two tables and understanding for the behavior of what? Inner join and the left join and the right join. Correct or not? So now we are just getting to understand to join with what? Multiple tables, sir. Okay. So observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully. Display all the employees. Display all the employees. Okay. Display all the employees and their managers. Okay. And the managers. Okay. And their departments. Departments and their what? The managers. Managers and the managers and their what? The projects. So hope you guys are understand. So what is our requirement, sir? We need to display what? All the employees. We need to display what? All the employees and their departments and their managers and their projects. And their projects. Total, how many tables are involved in our query? Can you guys please list out? Total, how many queries or how many tables are involved in our requirement? Employee table is involved, department table is involved, manager table is involved, projects table is involved, sir. Total 4 tables, sir. Sharanya, not 3. Total 4 tables got involved in our query. Correct or not? Yes, total 4 tables are involved, sir. Out of the 4 tables, sir, I'm good like to select only required columns from the for the respective tables, employee ID and then employee name. Okay, and then department name, sir. From the department table, so what is the required column, sir? Department name. Okay, department name, sir. Understand? And then and there the managers table also I'm going to select for what? Only the manager name, sir. I'm going to select what? Only the manager name. Okay, and there projects, sir. From the projects table, I would like to go with what? Projects name only, sir. That's all. So these are the respective the columns I would like to select from the respective the tables. Hope you guys are clear about the requirement. So you need to display what? All employees information, sir. So tell me which data of the table is required, sir? Most important. What table of data is important for us as per our requirement? Can you guys please confirm? Ashok IT underscore employee table data is important for you. So why? Because they required all employees information. So means definitely the left hand side table will be what? Definitely the left hand side table will be what, sir? Ashok IT underscore employees table. Correct or not? We require to display all the employees information, sir. Tell me which table need to be considered for what type of join? Shall I consider Ashok IT underscore employees an inner join? Shall I consider Ashok IT underscore employee as a right join? Shall I consider Ashok IT underscore employee as an what left join? So left join, sir. So left hand side table data is important for you. Okay. Yes. So observe carefully, sir. I'm going to write this query as in the step by step. Try to understand. I'm going to write the query from this, the requirement for the step by step. Try to understand the query, sir. Okay. Select AE dot employee underscore ID and AE dot employee underscore name. Okay. From Ashok IT underscore employee table. Okay. Left join of okay, Ashok IT underscore employee AE. That is left join of what? Ashok IT underscore DPT. That is AD. Okay. What is the common condition? What is the common condition, sir? Okay. AE dot department ID. Okay. AE dot department ID is equal to what? AD dot the department ID, sir. Okay. AD dot department ID and order by AE dot employee underscore ID. Tell me how many records you are expecting, sir, from this query? How many results you are expecting from the table? Can you guys please confirm how many queries, how many results you are expecting from the table? How many results you are expecting from the table, sir? Raju, why it is going to be 7, sir? So left join, right? Left hand side table, we have the 9 records of information. So how you are expecting for the 7, sir? As I clearly mentioned, right? When you are joining with the left table, when you are working with the left join, the left hand side table data is important for you. So how many records are there in Ashok underscore employee? 9 records. So you will get what? 9 records of information. Just execute it. So you got the 9. So you got like as in the 9 employees related information and then departments information or not? Tell me, sir. So because why the E8 and E9 employee doesn't have the department? Can you guys please tell me the reason? Why the employee 8 and employee 9 doesn't have the department? Can anyone tell me the reason, sir? Why the employee table? So why we are not getting the departments for employee 8 and employee 9? Abhishek, I just given you the unmute option for you. Please try to answer for the question, sir. Abhishek, I just given you the unmute option for you. Try to answer the question. So why we are getting the null values for the employee department name for employee 8 and employee 9 records? Ajay, either Ajay also you can answer it. You can, I given you the unmute option for you. Ajay, try to answer the question. Abhishek, are you not in front of the system? Ajay. I mean, expecting an answer from you guys, either Abhishek or Ajay. So why we are getting like as in the null values on the department name for employee 8 and employee 9? Akash, I given you unmute option for you as well. So try to answer. Akula Prasad, I given you the unmute option for you. Try to answer the question, sir. Sir, I picked like as in the 5 students. So 5 students. So they did not even answer. They did not even just given the response as well, sir. This is not the fair, sir. This is not at all the fair. If you are attending like as in the session, so try to respond at least. If you are attending like as in the sessions, sir, try to respond at least, sir, to the trainer. So whether your answer is right or wrong, try to respond it. I selected like as in the 5 candidates from the list. So say they did not even respond as well. Hardik, I given you the unmute option for you. Can you please tell me the reason why we are getting the null values is displayed for employee 8 and employee 9? Yes. Okay. Yes, you are correct, Kiran. The data is available at the right table. Rajshekhar. Yeah. Hardik, you also the correct. Yeah. Sudha, I given you the unmute option for you, sir. Try to go ahead with an answer.
Yes, here the name itself suggests that left outer join means it's focus on a left hand side of the data. So E8 and E9, those don't have a department number. That's why they are showing as a null. So those are unmatched records.
Yes, these are nothing but what unmatched records from the right hand side table and the left hand side table, sir. If you are selecting the columns from the right hand side table column means then you are getting the nulls.
Yes,
So
sir.
left hand side data table data is important for us.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anyone? Yes. Okay then. So for whatever the data we are seeing right now on the screen, so which contains what the Ashokite underscore employee table of all employees information. So means we do not have that respect to the departments in the department table. That's why we are getting what null values from the right hand side selected columns, sir. Okay. Yes, we got it. Employee ID we selected. Employee ID we selected and employee name got selected from the employee table, and the department table also we had selected with what department name. So now we need to join with what table, sir? Now we need to join with what table? Can you guys please respond? So now we need to join with what table? Come on, guys. So now we need to join with what table? To get like as on the manager's information. Okay, to get like as on the manager's information of an employee. Tell me what table, sir? What table I would like to join here? Managers table, right, sir? So managers table, sir. So I will go with what join keyword and then Ashok IT underscore managers, that is AM. Okay. And then AM and on condition on employee on AM dot manager ID. Okay. And then equivalent to what employee table contains what manager ID. Correct or not, sir? Employee table also contains what the manager ID or not? See, whatever the result we got, whatever the result of the 9 employees result we got on this the join condition. So for that, again, I'm joining the another table on the managers, sir. Okay, again, I am joining with what? Another table with the managers on with what condition, sir? Manager table, manager ID and employee table, manager ID column, we are equating, sir. Okay. So for that, what I'm going to see, sir? So AM dot manager name. That's all. Just check it out, sir. So we got like as in the 9 employees, we got like as in the 9 employees, sir. We got like as in the 9 employees and its associated managers or not? Come on, guys. Please try to respond. So we got the 9 employees information. Left hand side table data is missing or not missing, sir? Left hand side table data is missing or not missing? Left hand side data is missing or not missing? Not missing, sir. Okay. And one more thing you need to observe, sir. One more thing you need to focus here. Select a star from Ashokite underscore managers table. How many managers we have? How many managers records we have, sir? 10 manager records we have. Right, sir. So just verify it for the employee. Every employee is mapped with the respect to the managers or not. Tell me, every employee is mapped with what? The managers which are existed in the managers table or not? Is there any employee? Is there any employees mapped with what non-existing manager in the manager table? Tell me, sir. Is there any employee mapped with what non-existing manager in the manager table? No. So as of now, for the time being, as of now, for the present data on the table, so our inner join will work here. Okay. In the later, if you got like as an employee record with non-existing manager, with the non-existing manager record, means at the time one employee will miss it or not? Come on, guys. As of now, for the present data, every employee is mapped with the correct managers, which are already available in the managers table. So in the future, if I'm going to get like as in the new employee and which is not mapped with a wrong, which is mapped with a wrong manager, which are not existed in the department, in such a case, tell me what it will happen. Employee information will be missed or not? Come on, guys. As of now, for our requirement, we got the things, no problem at all. So no problem at all, sir. For every employee, we got like as in the manager name, right? Right or not? Whatever the results we got here, sir, 9 employees. For that 9 employees, it is mapped with what? Managers. Okay. So for the present data of the tables, of this present data of these two tables, sir. The present data of this the two tables, every employee is mapped with what? Correct managers. In the future, if I'm going to get an employee with the wrong mapped manager, means then the employee will be missed or not? Tell me, sir. As of now, inner join will works, no doubt. As of now, inner join will works, no doubt. So we are getting like as an expected result. But if you are thinking about in the future, there may be the chance of getting like as an employee which are not mapped with the correct manager, right? In such a situation, definitely I need to go with what? The left join, sir. If I'm going to add with the left join here, tell me the same data we are getting or not? The same data we are getting or not, sir? Yes. Okay. So whatever the result we have, whatever the result we got from this, the two joins. So, okay, we are done with the manager name as well. So tell me the next one is what? The projects, right or not? To get like as in the project name, so we require to join with what table? We require to join with what table, sir? Ashok IT underscore projects table, sir. That is AP. Okay, AP on Ashok IT underscore projects table. What we have, sir? What is the common column? Okay, Ashok IT underscore projects. Okay, yes. Okay, see, sir, these are the projects information, and I just wanted to know like employees who are working with the projects. I just wanted to know who are employee working with the projects. In the Ashok IT underscore projects table, I'm going to join with the table called what? Team underscore member underscore ID. Okay, equal to what? AE dot employee ID, sir. AE dot employee ID. Understand, sir? So total how many employees are working with the project, sir? Can you guys please confirm? How many employees are working with the projects? E1 employee, E2 employee, E3 employee, E5 employee, and E6 employee. So total, so 5 employees are working with another projects, right or not? Just try to find it, sir. Try to find it. So how many employees we are getting here? How many employees are we are getting here? Only the 5 employees we are getting, right or not? So E1 employee and E2 employee and E3 employee and E5 and E6 employees, sir. So these employees we are getting in the results. So I need to select like as in the project name, sir. That is AP dot project name, sir. AP dot project name. So just verify it, sir. So E1 and E2, E1 and E2 employees are working with what? Spring project, and E3 and E6 are nothing but an what? E3 and E6 are nothing but an what, sir? Banking project, and E5 is nothing but an what? E5 employees working on what? Website project. So is that satisfy our requirement, sir? Based on the result, could you please confirm? So we got only the 5 employees information, but our requirement is what? Our requirement is what? Display all the employees. The 4 employees are not getting here from the result. What I need to do? My requirement is what? I need to display all the employees information and its associated departments, projects, and managers. Right? That is what our requirement. Okay. So before joining this table, joining this table, sir, let me have the thing. Before joining this column and before joining this table, we got like as in the 9 employees, right? So we got like as in the 9 employees, correct or not? Before joining this condition and before selecting that the project's name column, so we got like as in the 9 employees information, which is an expected result. So when you are joining this word, when you are joining the projects table, so you are getting your count got decreased to 5, sir. Means 5 employees are working. So 5 employees are working with the departments. So 5 employees are working with the projects. That's why you got the things. Right, sir? Right? So, see, but our requirement is fulfilled, sir, or not fulfilled? Our requirement is not at reached, sir. So means we required only what? Left join. Use like as in what? Left join, sir. So now tell me, you got like as an employee, sir. So you got all the employees or not, sir? You got like as an all employees information from the Ashok 8 _ employees table or not? Come on, guys. Yes. So order by, you can go with what? Order by, you can go with what? AP dot project name, sir. Okay, AP dot project name is not null. Okay, is not null, sir. Oh, sorry, is not null. So that's all. Is null. That's fine. So see, sir. Yes. So see, sir. Now you can easily get it here. So which employees are working with the banking project? E6 and E3 employees are working with what? Banking project. And E1 and E2 employees are working with what? Spring project. And E5 employees working with what? So website project. So tell me which employees are not working with which employees are not working with which employees are not working on any project? E4 employee, E7 employee, E8 employee, and E9 employee is not working with any projects, sir. They are just simply sitting in the company. That's all. Understand, sir? For that managers, for that the 4 employees are not working on any project, sir. Understand, sir? Hope you got achieved our requirement or not. First, we joined with the 2 tables, Ashok 8 _ employee and Ashok 8 _ department, with the left join to get all the records from the left table. Okay. After getting that results, we just join with another table called what? Managers table with the help of join keyword. At that moment also we got the matched information. But in future, maybe employee will be another created with a non-existing manager record of the managers table. Such cases, I just added like as in the left join, sir. Okay. So we did like as in the left join with the managers table to get what? Manager name of an employees. Okay. After getting that 9 rows of information, again, we just performed with the join operation with what table? Projects table. So 9 employees of count will be decreased to how many records? 5 records. To get all the employees, again, I just added what? Left join to get all the employees information. Hope you guys are comfortable or not, how we have written the join for the multiple tables. By practice only, you will get the things, sir. By practice only, you will get the things. As I already given you one database also, like accounts _ account underscore details, account underscore types, account underscore balances, has given you the one database table to create the tables, right, sir? So you need to populate the data information and you need to perform the joins on those multiple tables. Hope you are clear. Hope you guys are clear or not? Everyone. How to add a foreign key column in the table without using SQL command. So means like through the SQL developer, you can add it, sir. Through the SQL developer, you can add it, the foreign key for your table. Okay. Yes. So see, sir, this is the query where this is the query. What, sir? This is what the query for us. Display all the employees and their the managers information, and then followed by what? This one. Okay. This is a query, sir. Hope you are clear, everyone. Any doubts? Hope you are clear, everyone. Any doubts on the left on inner join and the left join and the outer join? Sorry, right join. Can you guys please confirm it? Thank you, Satish. Hope you guys are clear, everyone. Query is little confusing, sir. I understand the logic. Yes, sir. You need to practice it, sir. Okay, you need to practice it, Raju Tirumani. Yeah, when you are working with the joins, I can understand, sir. Initially, you may feel like as in what complexity, sir. Definitely. I can understand. You need to practice it. You need to practice it with your hands in your local mission. Then only you will get like as a good hands-on with the joins. But so joins are very important for you, sir, in the real-time projects. In the real-time projects, mostly we are going to work with what? The joins only, sir. Because we will be the having like multiple tables. We will be the having with what? Multiple tables, sir. Understand? We will be the having what? Multiple tables in the real time. Okay. That is null values. Null values. Okay. Fine. So null, 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 null. Observation, sir. Observation. So what is an observation, sir? The four employees are not working with any project. The four employees are not working with any project, sir. With any project. Okay. That is what the first point, sir. And the two employees are not mapped with the correct departments. Are not mapped with what? Correct departments. Understand? Those are nothing but an what? E8 employee and E9 employee. For that employees department name getting as an what? Department name says are null, sir. Hope you are clear, sir. Observations on the results. Okay. Yeah. So these are about what? Inner join, left join, and the right join, sir. If you want this, the joins with respect to the Venn diagrams. Okay. If you see here, this is what the inner joins are. Inner join. If you considered like as in one circle from the left hand side table and another circle for right hand side table, only the matched information we are getting here, right or not? If you understand, if you wanted to understand with respect to the Venn diagrams, that would be easy for you for the better understanding. Only the matched records. Only the matched record from the both tables you are going to get, that is called inner join, sir. Okay. So at any given cost, when you are working with what? Left join. So at any given cost, always the data will be when you are working with the left join, sir, inner join data plus additional records from the left table as well. That is what the left join, sir. And right join. And this is nothing but the right join, sir. Inner join data plus right hand additional records from the right table. Okay. Tomorrow we will see like the full join, cross join, and then natural join, sir. Okay. That is what we are going to understand in the tomorrow session. So that will conclude with what? Joins, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. If you practice it, If you practice it, then only you will get like as in the joins, sir. If you are not at practice, it means I would not be an help. I could not help you anything, sir. Okay, if you practice it, then only you will get the hands-on part with the joins. Okay, then. So that's all for the today, sir. Again, we'll connect back on the tomorrow. Tomorrow will complete with what? Full join, natural join, cross join as well. Okay. Yeah, I will take your questions. Just wait a minute, sir.